Oh, Captain, my Captain, our fearful ship is done. The ship has weathered every rock, the practical is done. The port is near, the bell I hear. The people all is floating, but the fellow I steady clear. The vessel grim and daring, but oh, heart, heart, heart. Oh, the bleeding drops of blood were on the deck, my captain lies, falling cold and dead. Oh, Captain, my Captain, rise up and hear the bell. Rise up for you the flag is flung, for you the bagel drill, for you the bucket and ribbon work, for you the crown, for you they shore a grounding, for you they call the swaying mat, their eager face turning. Her captain, their father, disarm the net your head. It, it is some dreams that on the deck, you are falling golden dead. My captain does not answer, his lips are failing still. My father does not feel my arm, he has no pulse nor well.
Pulse.
The ship is anchored in safe and sound, its voyage close and done. From fearful deep the vector ship comes in with object one. Close to shore and being obeyed, but I, mournful tread, walk the deck my captain lies, falling cold and dead.
Now, if you're going